थिएटर नहीं इसमें। Now property of addition of integers. First, closure property. In closure property, the sum of two integers is always an integer. Property of addition of integers. First, closure property means the sum of two integers is always a integer. Means 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 5 integer, 6 integer, then 11 is also an integer. Second, commutative law. Second property of the addition of integer is commutative law. Yeah, commutative property. In this property, if A and B are any two integers, then A plus B. If A and B are any two integers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. We can verify this equation by this example. 5 plus 6 this equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. And third property of the addition of integer is associative law. Third property is associative law. In this law, if A, B and C are any integers, any three integers, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. We can also verify this by this example. If A equal to 4, B equal to 5 and C equal to 6, then A plus B plus C, this equal to A plus B plus C. Now putting the value of A, B, C in this equation, A equal to 4, 4 plus 5 plus 6, this equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6. 9 plus 6, this equal to 4 plus 11. This equal to 15. This is the associative property for the addition of any integer. Fourth property is identity property. Additive identity. For any integer A, we have A plus 0 equal to 0 plus a, is equal to a. So 0 is called an additive property, additive identity for a or any integer. That's all. तभी तो एक प्रॉपर्टी समझा था समझ गए. And last property of this addition of integer is inverse property. With additive inverse. Additive inverse means a plus minus a, this equal to minus a plus a, is equal to 0. Means the opposite of an integer, the opposite of an integer is called additive inverse. Additive inverse. Now exercise first A. Exercise first A. Evaluate first 15 plus minus 8. For addition, if plus and plus, then plus minus is equal to minus, minus plus is equal to minus, minus plus minus plus, but sign minus. 15 plus minus 8, 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Similarly, minus 16 plus 9 is equal to minus 7. Now second question. Question number second. 153. Find the sum 153 and minus 302. 153 plus minus 302. 153 minus 302. This is equal to minus 149. Now question number third. Find the additive inverse. Additive inverse minus 83 this equal to opposite side plus 83. 256, this equal to minus 256. These are the additive inverse of the following. Question number 5. Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34. Subtract the sum of this and this from minus 34. First we calculate the sum. Sum minus 1032 plus 878. 1032 minus 878. Minus 154. Now subtract minus 154 from minus 34. Minus 34 minus 150. Minus 34 minus plus this equal to 154. Now 154 minus 34 is equal to 120 plus 120.